King DRUIE.
Lil SosaMayne. Nigga, that's a bitch. Shout out King DRUIE. Say, I say, baby, you find the shit, baby, tell me what's the motive. I don't even know what the fuck you to go to. I'm finna blow, must be a motherfucking explosive. Most of this shit off the dome, I ain't wrote it. Lil SosaMayne, he is the greatest, I quote it. My shit with a heart, you know I got the stroke. If Trump wasn't running, no, I wasn't voting. Nigga talking down without a dab of motion. Bitch, you must wanna die cause you steady provoke. Opponents are resin, man, I be damn if I'm voting. Nigga, why you bump fake niggas, shoot what you want. That little bitch cheating on you, that little bitch be promoting. Lil SosaMayne, hop on the track if you go. I don't give a fuck what you think my pockets for. If you got a count or you got a coat. Most of you niggas be home and I'm knowing. Most of you niggas be home and I'm saying. No bitch, you can take a sip with them. What the fuck did this bitch gotta go cause she snoring? Most of you niggas be home and I'm knowing. Most of you niggas be home and I'm saying. No bitch, you can take a sip with them. What the fuck did this bitch gotta go cause she snoring?